sombrero. Raymond James Stadium complete with a pirate ship, or is it a galleon? And against the Chicago Bears, the Glenn Milburn returning a punt, and the Bucs have played 7 straight games on the road. The first half, they said, you know what? It looks like another road game. We can't do anything. Milburn, 93-yard touchdown, 10-0 the Bears. Played in the second quarter. Buck fans have been used to seeing this for 23 years. Trying to get rid of the ball first. It's a safety, 12-0, then 15-0 at the half. But all of a sudden, Tony Dungy told the Bucs, this is our stadium. Second half, a whole nother team. Dilfer in the end zone. Riedel Anthony, touchdown, 15-6 for the first time. Look out, duck. The cannons blowing off the cruise ship. Dilfer, James Moore makes a great catch. Touchdown, 44 yards, 15-13. Fourth quarter, Bears still lead by 2. The reverse to Riedel Anthony, and what's Trent Dilfer doing?
Well, Trent doing everything he can to make this offense work. Watch this great block that he's going to throw right there out in front of Anthony.
Next play at that 32-yard pickup. Ward, well done. Bounces in, bounces out, twirls, spins, and he can go out of the way. 43 yards. The Bears led it 15-0. But they watched the Bucs score 27 points in the